Hey guys, what's going on? In today's video I'm going to be talking about the scan pattern in Angular, so without any other ado, let's dig into the nitty-gritty part. First and foremost thing is knowing SCAM itself. SCAM stands for Single Component Angular Module, but what does this mean? Actually, this refers to a concept for creating a module and holding only one component in that module. So we will have a module that tends to do a specific duty in our application. After knowing this, we need to know what are the advantages of following this intuition in developing our project. The first advantage will be a smaller module. Instead of having a big module like shared module that is a global place for holding every shared stuff in our project, we will have only one component with only one module in a directory. So this whole thing will tend to do a specific job for us, and there won't be any unnecessary thing or unrelated file or module or component in it. Okay, so it is a module with only one responsibility. Other than that, our imports will be smarter. But what does this mean? Let's back to the previous example, which was shared module. As you know, shared module can include lots of files like components, pipes, directives. In general, it can include some unrelated files together. Okay, so when we are going to import this shared module in our targeted module, let's say in user module or product module, it will bring us some unnecessary files. Of course, we know in the previous version of Angular View Engine, this imports is more smarter compared to the previous times, but in general, we need to take care of these things. I think there is enough, and we need to get on with coding. Okay. I already prepared a project for you, which includes two featured modules, so-called product and user, and a shared modules that includes a bunch of components, directives, and pipes. Okay. With the traditional way, if we want to use one of these components, directives, or pipes, we need to import them in the shared module, in the declaration array, and export them in the exports array. After that, we need to import this shared module in our targeted module, like this. But guys, as I described for you, this is not a proper way for developing our project, and we need to revise our intuition. So let's follow the scan pattern for refactoring this part of our code. Let's say we are gonna follow this approach for using our spinner module in the user module. Okay, actually spinner is not module right now, and it's a component and it's part of our shared module. So we need to do some steps for adding it as a module in our feature module, which is user module. Okay, the first step is declaring a module for it. So let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna be here and create a module for this spinner component. So I'm gonna write spinner.module.ts, and I'm gonna write a-module spinner module, and our component will be spinner component. And here, instead of importing this shared module, I'm gonna import a spinner module. So what happened? Spinner module. Okay. Then we're gonna error. Okay. There's another step that we need to comment this spinner component here, or even we can remove it since we don't need it in the shared module. And this spinner module will work here. So let's imagine that you have a module like user module and you need to only one of these components in your feature module. So following this scan pattern will be useful for you, and it really better than the traditional way. Guys, this was the scan pattern in Angular. I hope you like it. By the way, if you have any idea or opinion, please leave it on the comment section. And if you like the video, please hit the like button. Cheers.